man, them picnics, I give you somewhere there. And the man go out that mass, you know.
I'm this.
Them when I come out like a them want to I don't know what I see, no bossy.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Yo! Attacking boss! Viewers, subscribers, big up on yourself in my paper. Today hour, Thursday, March 23rd, 2023. You see for some look at idiot artist. You see for some look at idiot DJ paper. Look at the man got through it. We ran. Go back to 2022, my people. You understand? 2021. Family has been incarcerated from 2021, my people. A lot of people have a lot of bad things to say about the DJ. A lot of people have a whole lot of things to say about the artists, my people. You don't know, say NEWLINK always rate the artists, always support the artists. You don't know the thing on my people. See? People. Check how much hit song release. You understand? Check how much new artists the man work with. Valiant, Skeng. All of them artists who are on the place of people, Tamale do a collab with them. No people, today, Thursday, March 23rd, 2023, dancehall entertainer Tamale Sparta has been released from prison. You don't know the thing of my people. Remember in the 2021 people then did sentence the artist, my people. You understand 2 years and look up people for your position of fire when they plead guilty to. You know the thing of my people. You understand? But up to date now, the artist has been released. So I look up for the sent to my people, and it is alleged a NEWLINK. This is the first thing Tamale Sparta do when him release my people. And Tamale Sparta comes a boom. Him find his nearest water after him left out the Horizon Remand Center, my people. The nearest water, the nearest thing him find, and him going to go get a wash off is whether him a wash off the crosses and the demons, you understand, and the bacteria and the consumption and the ramsumption from over Horizon, my people. Or is he the man comes a woman a shower with blessing? Can him tell about blessing in my people, and the man tell about it in my people. Or is either, you understand my people, the man a get a new baptism of him on. Jaja sees, Jaja knows the people.
Yeah.
One thing me have to say, my people. Tamale Sparta, dancehall need him. The stage need him. You understand? Because Tamale Sparta is one. I mean, that's the most energetic dancehall artist right now, my people, in a film era. Me say, but you know me say in a film era, Tamale Sparta. Check how much of them can perform like him in that era, my people. The man full of style. You understand? Tamale Sparta can come forward, my people, and give him all the song them and rap the stage show. So the man was well missed. And now, my people, me can't tell you this. Sadly, me know say him the couple years. You understand in a prison and thing, or you mean sad thing, my people. You get what me I say? But one thing me can say, him lost a lot of money for the time when being incarcerated, the people earn a lot of money also. But one thing, the man did still a fine hit song, my people. One of the biggest hit, you understand, I would say the biggest hit for 2022, my people, was Skeng with Tamale, my people, Protocol. You get what me I say? That was Skeng biggest song up to date, my people. It and the shifting where I'm do. So you wanna check it out, my people. Tamale Sparta has been consistent, my people, running the place even from behind bars. So we have to give him the support. We have to give him the love, my people. We have to give him everything and give him credits, them, my people. And one thing me have to say, my viewers and subscribers. Me I look out for see Tamale Sparta come tear down the place Come sell down the place and what money I gonna make for him and him family. People, I'm grateful for him. You understand? I'm grateful for no say him mother, him sister, him youth, them people. You understand? Bridging management and everybody can now get them time and get to sit down with the entertainer. Will have vibes with the entertainer, my people. You know what I mean? Because we see video release of the man there prison. And even though him attack and you know what I mean, and people that say him are not happy. Him lose a lot of weight. You don't know say family Sparta, him name big already people. If you know say him lose a lot. You don't know say yo people cause prison on the bed of rose Jack you're telling them people. So I'm grateful for know say the artists they are road. You know a lot of people they lose hope, a lot of people they lose faith, and me never lose it. Because when the thing they release say yo, the thing where them find, you understand the strap where them find with family when play guilty for and it see one take out one and it see one take out rifle. But they hear them there's something that just dead done with people. Because everybody knows say they lie them a tell upon the artist. Then they just try to sink the artists to people. You understand? And me, they have faith. So look at the man. Because a lot of people know me and I say NEWLINK family done. Him not see back road and I say look at the man. Don't say that about the entertainer. You know the system go. Don't say that about the artist. And see the people, the artist the back of road you know. You understand? Sparta, me entertainer, me DJ. Me I look forward to see the artist come mash up the place. Me I look forward to see the artists come run off the place of people, my viewers, my subscribers, because I'm grateful for the artists of people. I love the artists. You know, me feel good. You understand? And the vibes of me and the vibes. And then that it's Sparta. Psycho. There's a man run by DJ. Tommy Lee. Big up a silver brother a million times. I'm happy for you. Go so boss, people. You understand? So me I go do my viewers and subscribers. Me I go join a clip. You know what I mean? We run some performance from the artist, some long time thing. So you can get a remembrance. Because this is what you are expecting back from the entertainer Tommy Sparta. Knowing that he's back on the road, my people. Knowing saying come back and him are going to run off the place. So this is what you are going to expect, my people. You understand? And me I going to expect from him. And the world I going to expect. Say, yo, the boss are forward back and the boss are come run back the place. So, my people, check out them performances from the boss. You understand? Rewind back. So, back to 2023, back to 2022, back to 2021, and back to 2020. My people, and I don't know. I'm more love, more blessings, and more respect. And peace out, my people. Stay safe and just continue to do the right thing. Remember, subscribe, like, share, comment. One team, one gym, one scheme, one attack. Attack them NEWLINK. Peace out, my people. Blessings. What am I gonna do now? Attack.
What up? You want to see money on the Magosa? We want paper, pick up our money maker. I'm brown all over. The youth get on the future, we don't want no. Left again. What I know? Want to say free rebels. All these guys are fans. Bossa Blanca. Yes, man. With sword and a chop of people. Elephant man and a elephant. Beanie man and a real doctor. He might get them doctor still. But me have to get my things straight. Vibes cartel. The man and a real daddy devil. He bust enough you that they can eat food. You see me? I do want to say my lord evil. You don't know, I don't want to sing big girl song. I don't know how they go through them the same way. Everybody play a character and a dancer. But some of them Uncle Demon come on be different, my youth. You see me? I can't come be Father Devil and I can't come be the killer. Now for us be my thing, my style unique, but different. You see me? But yo, people must learn from my own business and grow their kids, put my youth. And stop blaming for the artists and virgin. When you can't know, say, when you have your kids as an artist say something, when you blame for them. Everybody will smell like more than nothing. We have the answer. We have the answer. Look at that. Look at that. Are you ready? Everybody know the answer. Let's see it. Let's see it. What up? Oliver. Everybody. Oliver. Give it up. Lockdown. We are Sparta. We are Sparta.
Don't